Hi guys, welcome. This is C-Line and I'm here to review the Star Wars Black Series Archive Clone Commander Cody. I just purchased this from somebody and it has a pretty cheap price, so I want to open it. I have mine um, for a long time, but I don't want to open it until I have my replacement, so I'm going to open this one. So, Cody, um, otherwise known as CC 2224. He was a clone of Jango Fett, obviously, one of the early thousand engineered on Camino to serve the Galactic Republic. So, he is the clone commander for the 212th Attack Battalion, which was led by General Obi-Wan Kenobi. Oh, and one fun fact: Commander Cody ordered the shot to kill Obi-Wan Kenobi via Order 66. Unfortunately, he failed miserably. I don't know what happened to him after that attack, but he fulfilled it, but he failed. So yeah, like I said, he's very cunning. He's basically during the Clone Wars, under Obi-Wan, he has an orange marked armor, a visored helmet, and a small jetpack that gives him limited short-range flight. As you can see here, he's been guarded by two Camino clones. And, anyway, enough of that. I'm going to open this, and let's see what possibility he has. Probably he'll have the same one, but yeah, I just want to open this. Okay, he's open up, and he comes with his very own DC-15 rifle and the DC-15A rifle. Nothing special, but this is usually, these rifles usually came with all the other clone. See, DC-15. Okay, let's see him handle the rifle. And like so, he usually handles pretty good. Let's see him handle with the DC-15A. Okay, so this is how I see him posing with the DC-15A. Of course, at every angle of photography, everything looks great. I can see him handling that. Very good, very good. Okay, let's check for articulation. Well, yeah, flexion. This is as far as it goes. Extension like that. With the arms stretching. Shoulder stretching. This is as far as it goes because it locks with the shoulder pads. Unfortunately, in the movie, we used to see him out of his helmet. Unfortunately, in this figure, the helmet doesn't come off, so the helmet is the head. Okay, at the back, his armor. This is the bullet shaped jetpack, which can make him fly for a few seconds, but not too far. Long range, just long range. Anyway, so articulation at the hips, full 360 degrees. The foot, just like that. Unfortunately, it doesn't move as much on the ankle twisting. You can't vary. You can't do that. On the other hand, on the right side, yeah, you can do ankle. Probably you can do here as well, and maybe it's just a little stuck. Yep, it is stuck. So yeah, both ankles can do this. Yeah. Okay. Double jointed knee. So this is as far as it goes. Like so, because of the knee pads. So for sitting, this is as far as he can do sitting. Like that. But we don't see him sit, do we? So for abduction and adduction of his hips, this is his best split. Okay, neck, up, down, left, right, 360, tilt, tilt, tilt. That's it. On the hands, on the left side, on the left hand, it's just flexion, extension, and then rotation for the wrist. On the right hand, you can do flexion of his, flexion and then extension, but not on the flexion of the wrist. That seems confusing. Anyway, he can do this, and then he can do this on the right. For gun pointing, I guess. And then rotation. All good. That's it. So there you have it. Just a review of Clone Commander Cody from the Star Wars Black Series Archive. Second release. You know, it's very sad that the clones betrayed all the Jedis, but that's how the story goes. I always thought of Cody as somewhat different, but it seems that Rex, personality-wise, is, well, often, resistant to the order. So just a thought, since the Order 66 marked the end of the Clone Wars, it also marked the end of the clones and the start of the New Republic. And during this time, Palpatine has ordered elimination of clones as well, which is very sad. And well, I guess this is where the new chapter begins for the Empire. Thus goes the Star Wars. Anyway, it's called Star Wars because there's always been wars. Doesn't matter if it's Rebels versus the Republic, Rebels versus the Empire, clones versus the droids. There is always war. And, Well, that's just a thought. I mean, Star Wars have been with us for the last 50 years, and it's a legend. George Lucas has built a very good trend, I say. Most likely not a trend, almost like a religion to some. But don't quote me on that. Okay, good day. And thank you for watching.